Understanding shaken trust in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a commonly used English phrase, shaken trust. Whether in stories, news, or our everyday lives, understanding this phrase is key to grasping the subtleties of human relationships. So, let's dive in and unpack the meaning and usage of shaken trust. Shaken trust refers to a situation where confidence in someone or something has been weakened or damaged. It doesn't mean that trust is completely gone, but it's certainly been impacted negatively. This can happen due to various reasons, such as dishonesty, failure to keep promises, or any action that undermines the reliability of a person or entity. When trust is shaken, it can lead to a host of emotional responses. People may feel betrayed, uncertain, or wary about trusting again. It often requires time and effort to repair, and sometimes, depending on the severity, it might never fully recover. Shaken trust can affect personal relationships, business dealings, and even our interactions with institutions. Let's look at some examples. A friend who frequently cancels plans last minute can lead to shaken trust in their commitment. A company that fails to keep customer data safe may experience customers' shaken trust in its services. In literature, a character's shaken trust can be a central theme that drives the plot. Rebuilding trust is a process. It involves consistent actions over time, transparency, and often, a heartfelt apology. Both parties must be willing to work through the issue, and the one who caused the trust to shake needs to demonstrate change and reliability. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what shaken trust means and how it can impact various aspects of life. Remember, trust is fragile, but with the right approach, it can often be mended. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful English language content.